Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I will tell you how you can easily enable or disable USB port of your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So for enabling or disabling Windows port of 11 or 10, you have to first of all go to device manager. So to go to device manager, you have to go below on the Windows icon and right click on it. Then click on device manager. Then here you can see below that there is an option called universal serial bus controllers. On the universal serial bus controllers you have to click. After you click on this particular option, you will see sub options of this. Click on this universal serial bus controller. So you will be able to see here USB root hub USB 3.0. There are two USB root hub, like I have two ports, so you can disable any one of them by right clicking on them. Then you have to click on yes here. Like this same you can enable it too. You have to right click on it, then you can click on enable device so that it gets enabled. I hope this worked in your PC too, and you are able to enable or disable the USB ports. Thanks for watching this video.